Whoa. Check, check, check. Why? Okay, I gotta check the map as well. My bad. I'll tell you the things in a while. कहाँ से राइट है भाई ये? गॉड, आगे से राइट दिखा रहा है ये. लेट्स सी. Is there even a right? Oh yeah, there is a right. My bad. Whew, it's so confusing, Google Maps, man. Probably I should stop saying man a lot of time. Whew. Let's go. So yeah, I'm currently heading to Mahabaleshwar. It's 4:30 p.m. Yeah, it's probably the worst timing to travel. Look at that dude. Oh yeah, you've got a higher power. I wanna know. Oh my bad, let's forget. I'm actually listening to songs at low volume. I'll decrease more. So yeah, my family and all of my close relatives are heading to Mahabaleshwar from Kolhapur, and I was in Pune, so they were like, why don't you join us? So मैंने बोला कि मैं ऐसे join नहीं होता, तुम लोग जाओ आगे. I'll grab my bike and join you guys, probably a little late, cause वो oh god cause वो निकले कोल्हापुर से 11 o'clock को. So Mahabaleshwar from Kolhapur is like 4-5 hours, and me heading to Mahabaleshwar early in the morning would have made no sense at all. So what I thought कि मैं निकलूँगा 4 बजे जहाँ पे हम रहने वाले. That location was 3 hours far from my place. लेकिन बाद में I was like कि let's flight off early. So I started the journey at 2:30 and it's 4:30 currently. And as for Google Maps, I'll be reaching in what, like an hour? Yeah. Oh, and by the way, I'm taking the another route. It's the Meda. It's through Meda. Usually people go through Pachgani, but I'm taking the Meda route. Oh, by the way, I have been through Meda to Mahabaleshwar. That route I have used, but this route connects to Meda. So what I meant to say कि मैं इस रूट से मेड़ा तक कभी नहीं गया हूँ. Actually the road from Meda to Mahabaleshwar is pretty scenic, man. It's so sexy. Well, that's the overview. I guess we'll catch up at Meda, cause I don't wanna ruin the battery right now. I'll get back to you once we get to Meda. So yeah, ciao, see you in an bit.
1 minute later.
Just have a look at this, man. Wow. And this scenery is nothing in front of what's going to come next. Whew. I guess we are close, yeah. I was checking on the maps. So post Meda there is a small mini ghat, and that's what we are on right now. Cool. Let's go. Oh, skidded a bit, just a bit. Woo. Any rider out there would prefer this road any day. I usually used to enjoy the highways, but nowadays this is my new favorite. Because you get to enjoy the view, the bike's performance on the turning. I'll be honest, I won't consider speed as my priority. I'll put the experience I'm having on the bike on number one. Shit. Oh mama. Oof. Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the your king is there, long live the king. There is a U-turn over there, I guess. I just saw a U-turn, which was very sexy one. It was like Monaco. And now I don't know how many of you know Monaco Grand Prix track, but it was like that. I'll click a week, man. I won't mind if I reach late. We are in Meda, I guess so. Yeah, we are in Meda. Why the hell she isn't telling me to take a right? Google Maps at its best, yeah. Should have told me, right? Thankfully I have been here, so yeah, let's check though. God, it got turned off. What to be kidding me? Okay, it's just straight. So yeah, that's the route which will take us to Mahabaleshwar in 30 minutes. Let's go. Oh, and by the way, few of my friends were saying कि तू डब मस्त करता है. भाई मैं डब नहीं कर रहा. You see, I'm literally speaking while I'm riding, man. To all those bastards out there, I'm not dubbing it after I'm shooting the video. It's going on live. Look at my hands also. I'm doing the हाथ का acting as well while talking sometimes. I wanted to clear it, man, क्योंकि बहुत लोग आके मुझे बोल रहे थे कि तू डब बहुत सही करता है. It's not a dub यार, come on. I genuinely don't know if that's a compliment or compliment का opposite क्या रहता है. The second ghat has started. It's so narrow, man. Just wanted to show you all how the road is. Good bike, good climate, phenomenal songs. और क्या ही चाहिए यार. It's just quite confusing sometimes कि कौन सा गियर डाले. अब समझो दिस टाइप का रोड आया तो आई कीप इट ऑन थर्ड गियर, बट आई मीन दिस टाइप का टर्न आया तो आई कीप इट ऑन थर्ड गियर, बट समटाइम्स द पावर, आई मीन यू फील अ बिट ऑफ लैग इन बिटवीन योर human input and machine. Then you have to rev it down to second gear. So it's been happening quite a lot with my case. For now it went on third gear. Now I'm surprised क्योंकि I went on second gear quite a lot of time while taking this kind of turns, but fine. You gotta change the input. Damn, was about to lose the traction. Ghats confuse your mind actually. You gotta make your own traction on the road and follow it. It's very easy to get distracted and then गिर जाते हैं लोग. I feel like कि the most of the falls happening in ghats are cause of speed. They keep a lot of speed and turn बैठता ही नहीं है यार. टर्न कैसे बैठेगा if you have lot of speed? I've seen people on Hunter taking MotoGP जैसे टर्न ले रहे साले पागल. I mean obviously you guys will fall. I saw 2-3 videos of people owning Hunter going on a turn like a MotoGP racer. Quite contradicting. कितने टन से यार. So I have a PS5 at my hometown and the number one game I play on that is F1. both like it's so addictive यार. एंड उस पर मैं ट्रैक्शन ऑन रखता हूँ एंड दैट्स द रीज़न आई गेस व्हेनेवर आई राइड और ड्राइव there is a green line I could see. I am implementing those green lines and the red ones on the turn, so I'm like okay, let's shift it down, let's slow it down. So I sometimes feel like those traction lines have been implemented in my eyes now it take a right and the traction is red on the center and it's going to the left. Now throttle up, green, let's go. Now again यहाँ पे रेड हो रहा है, so slow it down, don't give throttle, give throttle, let's go. So yeah, that's what goes in my mind. I can Dude is thinking it's a one way. I knew he was going to overtake. भाई कट जाता है मेरा आज पता. Phew. What a turn, man. Phew. Whoa. Again, that's the second time my rear end skidded a bit. Oof. Damn, man. Phew. You are my universe and I just want to put you first. You are my universe and I. Whoa, skit number 3 finally happened. Inside. Crazy, big. The sky full of stars. Well, the thing is the sun is right in front of me and that's causing some issue now. It's getting penetrating through the helmet and hitting my eyes now. Well, let's see how far it is. Let's not the things up. Let's see fast before the truck. Oh, 3 minutes. Let's go. Dry minuter. Dry minuter. Let's go. Wow. The song is Sky Full on Stars laga hai and I'm about to reach and the sun is right in front of me. Does that make sense? No. So does your life and my life.
अबे साले.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's okay. Oh, what? Where is the ride? Are you kidding me? I gotta call them, I guess. Okay, let's call them. We have dude would have almost crashed on each other. So yeah, that's it I guess for the video. I hope you all have enjoyed, and we'll see you in next video. Ciao.